In this recording, I'm going to show you how to label and reference an image. So I've done my Google search, found the image I want. First of all, I need the best resolution version of the image. So I'm going to click View Image, and then I'm going to copy and paste it into my assignment. I'm going to resize it and then word wrap it so it looks much nicer. And you can then move it around to wherever you want it. The next thing you need to do is insert a text box that is going to contain your label and your reference. It's going to go underneath the image. Now this is automatically word wrapped, but if it doesn't, you can click on the text box and select Format Shape, and then click Layout to see your wrapping options. So first of all, I'm going to label it Figure 1. So your images get labelled in order, so Figure 1, Figure 2, and so on. Everything gets labelled figure unless it is a table, and I'll show you how to do a table in a bit. So I have my label, I need a title, and then I need my in-text reference. So I've already prepared this one here. So I've selected website. I have an author as organization. So to find this information, I actually need to click on Visit Page. Do not reference Google Images because that is a search engine. So click Visit Page. So I can see here there was no individual author, but the EPA is at the front of the URL, and I know that stands for Environmental Protection Agency. Wind Energy is my page, and I have a last updated date on the 3rd of April 2016. So there's my details in there. I'm going to click OK. So if you've already got a reference in your list, you can just double click it to insert it. If you have an author as organization, which is quite long, or if there's no author, so it puts the name of the web page in here, you can shorten it down by clicking on the reference, clicking the arrow, and converting the citation to static text. And then I'm going to use the formal abbreviation for this agency, so that is EPA. Now, whenever you use an image in the body of your assignment, you must always refer to it in text. So you can see this figure here is actually referenced in the first paragraph. So I've got my kinetic energy is captured using wind turbines, and then I've referred to my picture for a demonstration, and then I've gone on and explained the significance of the image further, or explained why it's relevant to the statement I'm making. The final thing I'll show you is what to do if this was a table. So I'm going to copy the text box. So we'd have one text box up above and one below. So in this case, it would have table 1, take the reference off the end, and the source actually goes down the bottom here. So that is what you would do if you had a table.